guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that I sound a little bit different right now. I am sick. I don't know if I have a sinus infection or if I just have the flu. I've been sick now for a little bit more than a week. I am on antibiotics, so I am on the road to recovery. I just don't sound very good. Nonetheless, I did want to do something fun today for my YouTube channel. So as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing Snow White on this side of my face and the Evil Witch on this side of my face. Also, if you did not notice, my hair is back to being brown. I am a brunette again, and I really do look like Snow White, so I thought that this would be perfect. So I already have my L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation all over my face. This side is going to be the side of Snow White, so I have concealer on and powder on, and I also have my eyebrow done. This side is just foundation and powder. This is going to be the witch side, so I think I'm going to do Snow White's side first. So let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to use the Morphe M504 brush, and I'm actually going to use my contour colors, and I think I'm going to go in first with this one and put this in the crease of the eye. I don't want it to be super dark, but I do want to have some definition in there. Okay, so now that we have that color on, I'm going to use the Morphe M433 and go into the darker brown just to intensify it a tiny bit. Ooh, that's way too much. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit of this color right here on my mobile eyelid just to kind of brighten up the eye a little bit. Okay, so as far as eyeshadow goes, that's all that I want to do on Snow White's side. So now I'm going to add a thick black wing onto this eye, and I will be right back. So I used the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in black to do my eyeliner, and then these lashes are the Kim Tai and Cake Face Beauty Lionhearted lashes, or lash in this case. I apologize for my nose being a little bit red. I do have a runny nose, so just bear with me. So next I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm going to put that in my waterline to make me look more awake and fresh. And then I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So as you can see now, this side has way more life than this side, which is exactly what we want. Really quick, I'm actually going to throw some black eyeshadow in my eyebrow because Snow White does have black hair, and I want the eyebrows to really stand out. So I'm just going to add some black eyeshadow in my eyebrows just to make them a little bit darker. It also gives a more like cartoony effect as well. That's better. Okay, so let's go ahead and sculpt the cheeks on Snow White's side. For blush, I'm going to use Cindy Luminizer by The Balm and put that on the apples so she looks very doll-like. Give some life into my cheeks. For glow, I'm going to use Mary Luminizer because she can't be a princess without a good glow. This side of the Cupid's bow. Left side of the nose. I'm also going to throw some of that in my inner corner. And of course I'm going to do red lips, but I'm going to do that at the very end. To amp up the blush, I'm just going to use my Flower Beauty blush because this one will really stand out. There we go. I'm actually going to dust some of my highlighter over my cheeks to make it look very like fake. Just like that. She looks very like doll-like on this side. So to start off on the witch side, I'm going to start on my forehead. I'm going to do this so I can like naturally make some creases, and I'm going to very lightly use a black eyeliner pencil. This is the NYX eye pencil in the color black, and I'm putting very light pressure and just kind of drawing in the natural lines that are already in my forehead, and then just kind of tap them out. And then we're going to use the white and just do the same thing kind of underneath and kind of tap that out. So I'm just throwing some white eyeliner in my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna make some like circles right here. To create the illusion of bags. And then I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some in this inner corner here to make it look really sunken in. So just keep building up the black on that inner corner. We want it to be super, super dark in there to make it look like I have a sunken in eye. And then just kind of drag it down a little bit to make it look like I have a bag there. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the black and just put it around my nose and here as well. I'm gonna take the white and kind of draw in some crow's feet. So I'm basically just like outlining all of the creases that I actually have. This is what I'm gonna look like when I get older. So now I'm just trying to make my cheek look a little bit wrinkly. So what I'm trying to do is like recreate this like saggy cheekbone here. So I'm actually gonna put some of this eyeliner on my eyelashes just to further the illusion. So I'm just putting the white eyeliner on my lips to make my lips look smaller and like dead. Okay, so I think the witch side is done. I could keep finessing with it, but I think this is as good as I'm gonna get it. Is it perfect? No, but I think it gives the illusion well enough. For the red lip, I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Suede in the color Kitten Heels. Alright, so that wraps up this Halloween makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos all the time. I had so much fun filming this for you today, even though I am still sick. I had so much fun and it kind of took my mind away from being sick for a couple hours, so that was really, really fun. Again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of makeup looks you would like to see next in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Happy Halloween. Because it's not gonna be anything like I just said tuber. So now I'm going to add a black eyeliner. So now I'm going to add a thick black, what is it called? So, oh god, this is the what is this? So to start off on the witch side, I'm gonna start with my eyebrow. I had so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Oof, okay. Help! I'm literally using a dress for this. I don't have a cape. Okay, stay on. Literally, stay on. Stay on. Stay on.